Keeping your Frigidaire wall oven clean helps it look and perform its best. Here are a few tips to get you started. Removing spills and heavy soiling as soon as possible will reduce the difficulty of cleaning later. Before manually cleaning your oven, always make sure the controls are turned off and the oven is cool. Wear rubber gloves to protect your hands when manually cleaning your oven. Remove all bakeware and racks prior to cleaning. You can clean most messes with a soft, clean cloth and warm, soapy water. Additionally, your wall oven has Steam Clean and Self-Clean features. Steam Clean offers a chemical-free and time-saving method to assist in the routine cleaning of small and light soils. To set a Steam Clean cycle, make sure the oven is cool and remove all racks and accessories. Wipe loose debris and grease from the oven and pour 1 cup of tap water into the oven bottom. Close the oven door and touch Oven Modes. Scroll to and touch Steam Clean in the menu. Touch Start to begin the cycle. The Steam Clean timer will be visible in the display. Note, do not open the door during this time. If the door is open during Steam Clean, Door Open will appear on the display. When the Steam Clean cycle is complete, a tone will sound and Off will show on the display. Press On/Off to return the display back to showing the time of day. Stand to the side of the oven when opening to allow vapor to escape. Wipe the oven cavity and bottom clean. The Steam Clean feature is best used for routine cleaning of small and light soils, while the Self-Clean feature is designed for larger, baked-on stains and messes. The Self-Clean feature reduces soils to a fine powdered ash that can be wiped away with a damp cloth. This function can be programmed for cleaning times between 2 and 4 hours. To set a Self-Clean cycle, make sure the oven is cool and remove all racks and accessories. Make sure the oven door is completely closed and touch Oven Modes. Scroll to and touch Self-Clean in the menu. Next, select your desired clean time. Touch Timer to begin the cleaning cycle. When a Self-Clean cycle is running, the door lock will be engaged. Do not attempt to open the oven door when any locking indicators are showing. Once the door is locked, Clean will be on the display. When the Self-Clean cycle is complete, Hot will appear in the display until the oven is cool. After about an hour, the oven door will unlock and can be opened. Wipe away any residue or powdered ash with a damp cloth or paper towel. Now that you're familiar with cleaning your wall oven, here are some best care practices for your oven. Your racks and glide racks should always be removed before cleaning your oven. Handle the racks only after the oven has cooled. Wash with warm soap and water. Air dry, then replace. Glide racks need special care and lubrication. For more information on lubricating your oven's glide racks, refer to your use and care manual. By following these tips for care and cleaning, your wall oven will look its best and last for many meals to come. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at www.frigidaire.com.